Okay, guys, let me play after this lesson, demonstrate an example of what I've been talking about. So, if you can look at here, the price has taken the upside liquidity before time, you see, and then after, now that we're on time, what is happening? We need to see a displacement and a fair value gap or an order block, but our main focus is on fair value gap. So this is helping us to refine. We can sell 100 contracts here. Right above, accommodating another fair value gap right there. And then we'll look at price as it comes here. We're trying to get it here at least. Then let's increase to 4. Let's go to 5 minutes. And try to accommodate that right there. The same 5 minutes. But we're having a liquidity here where we have a fair value gap right here. Okay. If price is going to disrespect this and that, then that means we're wrong. But the timing is right, and I told you about 11. In most cases, this happened to be my first early entries because I have a lot of market structure shifts right here. Even if I use this leg, there was a market structure shift. After market structure shift, there was a fair value gap right here. Guys, everyone is encouraged to use their demo money because this is risky. There's a risk being taken here, but if you are using account like mine like this, no worries because it's just the demo money. So we want to see price respecting this area. After the respect of that area, then we can move on to the next level. Maybe price can go for that order block, and we are risking around 1.4%. Aiming for 2.9. But the ultimate aim using the daily 50% order block, it's 1:7 right there. Let's see if you can play like that or not. What you want to focus on right now are the relevant areas that you need. We're going low. We have met this fair value gap right here. If you can see, is the one. These are the ones that are opposing this move to go back, but the stop hunters, other stop hunters, are good for what? As you are moving, you created a fair value gap. You have an order block and a smaller fair value gap right here. So if price can go above this, that means I'm wrong, because I just see price being balanced everywhere here. You see 5 minutes, everything is balanced. What else? 15 minutes, everything is balanced. Okay, and hourly, we have a potential order block right here. Let me psychologically trick myself. My stop loss is 144 and I'm on 148 and I'm on 12, I'm on 10. And I'm basically reaching for 700. At this point, you wanna become, excuse me. All we want to see is this. Is it 5 minutes? Fair value gap been respected. And for that to be respected, to value this as a fair value gap, it means the leg that went to fair value gap to reprice needs to be broken. So we utilize that as well. But the price can just consolidate, wait until 11 past 11 until the silver bullet time. It's, how can I put this? It's absorbed, I think, then the entry can come. But sometimes you will wait for that, you seeing that it will just happen at the same time. You just get to be use your risk there wisely so that you are calm watching price doing what it's doing. Yes, so that you'll become watching price doing what it's doing. Let me just remove that. I'm watching as price is approaching here, because according to this as well can be fine. And then price can rush for this. 5 minutes, let me look at that. Comparing this fair value gap with this week. Okay. So this is where the ultimate TP should be. If it's 75, it's somewhere around here. Let's put 70. If ideally the price needs to come down, the price needs to revisit. The price might, not needs. You are not controlling price. The price might revisit this consequent encouragement of this week right here, which is aligned with this fair value gap right here. So it will make sense to come and take your TP somewhere around here. Then leave that one run. It will make just in. Then we'll keep on managing from this side, from our side. Some of you guys might be interested in changing some aspects of your life. This is another thing. You need to be playing such games if you need some changes in your life. You need to be playing such games if you need changes in your life. Okay, let's look at that and then we'll let it come. So this will be the first area of liquidity, and we are now 50 ticks up, risking 148. Let's see if we can push at least maybe 300 ticks. But we are not forcing anything from the market. We take what the market gives, and now that this fair value gap is respected, we took the low. Pay attention here, guys. Pay attention here. Let's see how will that react on 25%, but at 25%, but 50% because it's a lower time frame. Let's see the reaction on 50% and on 100% of that week right there. The body, the start, the middle, and the end. Those are the three sensitive areas of this week, consequent encouragement of the week. So is the reason why we are getting such rejections there. But hopefully it will be beaten by the fair value gap that is being made right here, if it is a fair value gap. So as I was saying, you just want to, I always forget my credentials. I think I forgot my credentials to log in here. Guys, you want to play this game right here. And I just wanted to show you. I guess the goal was to escape the red race within 2 hours, but I just played within 30 minutes because I found out. And now what is left with me is to do what? What is left with me is for me to do it live. Everything that is left is to do live, to perform them live. What's going on here? They do not want me to show off. They do not want me to show off. Oh, okay. Let's hope this will work. Cause I forgot my credentials there to log in. Okay, let's play now for a while and looking at the market. 30 pips, 30 ticks. Okay. Forget the market for a while and let's just play the game. I said on average what I had is that it should take you maybe less than 2 hours to finish, but you can take less time to do it. I see this thing not working. This one right here, create a room and the like, because if you've saved your name, even if you can create another room, appears your name, but let's modify this thing. You see, even if you can choose, okay, let's just choose anything. In short, guys, this is what is happening in this game. In short, every one of us, we are here. This is a red race. Why? This is a trap. This is a payday, I think. So, and then these are the deals that we are finding each and every day. The aim of this game is to make sure that your passive income is more than your end income, meaning your passive income must be more than your salary. Basically, that's how we'll live. That's how we'll play this game. I'll keep on checking what is happening here, but if it hits the stop loss, it's still fine. At least we'll gain something on the other side. So what is happening? I'll keep on doing what? Let's first check our career. Who are we? We are police officer. You enter $3,000 a month. Your expenses is that you have taxes, which we cannot run away from. You have home mortgage payment, which you can pay. You have a credit car loan payment. You have a credit card. You have retail payments. So credit card, car loan, mortgage, these ones you can deal with if you want to live nicely. Let's see, your car is 5,000, and then your credit card it's like 2,000. Your retail debt is 1,000. Then let's live. You got paid. So we'll keep on taking small deals. We don't want to overload ourselves. So where do I take the volume off here? Because I'm afraid I will depend on the bike. Okay. Share owned 0, cash flow it's 0. So then we'll keep on taking small deals. Cost is $10, cash flow is 0, and then they trade. It's a stock, guys, and then it trades from 5 to 10. Let's just buy a little of them because it's basically what how much do let's buy 4,000, man. Let's just buy 4,000 because we are getting paid. I'm just showing you guys how I might keep the red race. Then once I get into 5,000, I'll go for bigger now. Bigger. Car needs a new tires, 500k. This is what you are facing, obviously, on your real life. The things that you do with you see now, cost is 10 rand. Instead of selling, I'm not gonna sell because I bought them with that amount. Let me just buy 100 again. I know one day I will get them at the higher price. Then instead of buying, I will sell. It's $40, you see? Let me sell all of them, 200 of them. Then I made 4 times 1 is 24. Oh, 200, I own 200. I forgot. You see, 8,000. How much did I use? 8,000. This is what life brings us. After realizing, then I can go for big deals now. Start from 5,000, right? Cash flow is 300, down payment is 9,000, and it costs 70,000. Then I'll have to buy this 300 at least. Can get 300 back and can help with taxes. Remember, the aim is for passive income to be cash flow is 2,000, down payment we do not have. Let's take small here. Cash flow, okay, cost is 60,000, down payment I have to pay 1,000, but it will have to take. This seems as a liability, but when it sells, let's pause since we cannot. And remember, the goal is to repay those unnecessary loans. The aim is to repay those unnecessary loans. Let's just get some of the deal. It's 10, 1 to 30. It'll be on 410. Let me get it on 5 minutes. Let me get it on 5 Okay, cash flow is 0, 0, 30,000, 30,000. This is like parking your money. There's no use for this. I cannot buy something on 3,000 and sell it on 3,000. It's like parking. Buy a new tennis. This is what happens in our life. Okay, I can go for it's $20. If we want to buy a low. Okay, down payment is 2,000 and its cost is this, and it gives me 250 per month. But this is saving your money because you know your money is being freezed there. You can get it anytime. There we go. I have a child who needs $160 a month. But 260 will help me in that regard. But 260. Yes, cost is $1, $5 to $30, and I don't even have a doubt I can buy this one. I can use the whole of 8,000 for this one. I can use 8,000 on this one. You see, if it can trade up to, I can buy the stock in with. I can use the 8,000 here. I know where the money is has packed nicely. Let me buy it. It doesn't help to have money with you. This down payment is 30,000. It gives me 100. It will help me because money will come back at the end of the day. Small deal. Where are we selling? Where are we selling? Another child. 150. But remember, if you can look at my statement, I covered that with the assets that I gave. I covered that maintenance. Okay, cash flow trading range from 5 to 40. And then share only cash flow cost. Sugar. This is just to end my money. I have to pay tax. Okay. I can still live with that. Share cash flow 0 0. This is expensive. This is a bad deal. You need to see a bad deal and a good deal. Let me see. Cash flow $10, 1.2, and it ranges. This is not. This is again like parking your money. No problem with that. The question is now, while me doing that, am I managing to 3 so it doesn't? Am I balancing things while trying to survive? We'll always get that accident. You will always get sick. There will always be the money that you need to pay. Finish this faster. 30. Not a good deal. $5, let me buy 3,000, I think. Not a good deal. This is a bad deal. Don't come to me and borrow money. You saw I've been down. And it seems like I've passed that properly. It's good to donate, guys. Down payment is this 5,000. Pass. Pass. Who's bringing it? I'm still getting up on my feet. Don't come and ask money from me, guys. I'm still getting up. Now cost $10 and I own 1,000. No, pass. Cash flow $10. Waste of money. 0 pass. Now $30, and then I've owned 1,000 and I'm like selling 1,000 all of it. Big deals. Okay. Now let's go for big deals now. Something that will start off making money now. It's expensive, but that one. Let me just buy big and feel myself. Big. sell something else. Cash flow it's 160. Let me go small. 40 cash flow, don't pay me 4,000. Take a guys, remember 30 and I own 4,000. Those are the ones that I wanted. Let me sell. As big as I want, I can just give me. I'm as good as. Pause this. What's going on? Oh. Total income is 4.9. Total expenses is less than 2k. They have 2,000. I think it has jumped, guys. Okay, guys. By the way, I was not that far from reaching my goals, 30,000. You see. Then my passive income was supposed to be more than the 30,000. And let's just end it. Now go big. We don't care. 800,000 just buy. Congratulations, you passed. Then basically here, you just pay the bills and you are playing with the for you. You can buy if you have money. Buy a gold mine. I don't even check the. I'm just buying, But I understand you'll get a divorce here, certain stuff, because I don't have order lawsuit. You see, you have to pay. I have 200 and something thousand. Lose half of your cash. Okay. Plus, just buy. They sell. If you have the money, just buy software call. But guys, the most important thing is to show you that part of passing the rat race, because this is a rat race. Okay, not that far. I want to utilize every cash that I have. Go on the gain. That's it, guys. Let's see what the market has for us. 120, the market is still pushing here. Still pushing to come down. 130, 140, not even 1:1. I guess it's 140, something like that. What does a lower time frame say? What was the reaction on 50% of this right here? . 50% So guys, if you didn't manage to get it here, let me ask you, you didn't manage to get it here. If you got it here, if it was me getting it here, I'll be okay. Even now, it's still okay with me. You didn't get it where? You didn't get it here. Here was your fair value gap. Maybe if you expected your fair value gap to be somewhere in some area like that, what are you going to do? Let me buy majority here. And let the price itself determines, okay, it's 0.1 here. Even more than what I managed to collect here. You see, $1. Then if of course the price moves into my direction, that will be a $7 instead of that big amount, because of sometimes we are driven by what we will be making rather than what the price is what the price is doing itself. So we are more driven by that than reading the price. So you will think that you are the best. You will think that you can kill the market at the moment. You will feel that you this is $4 collected, guys. You saw $7.9 collected yesterday, even though the risk were not in a way that I've put it. But if you can check the trading view account, and guys, this is not to inspire you, this is small money, and I please don't look at this. And going forward, I'm no longer going to reveal this to you, because what I'm trying to give you is that to people out there, that yes indeed, but it's risky. You don't have to risk your oh, I have to go. You don't have to risk your real funds. This is the money that all history. Let me just put on all history. The money that you're supposed to risk is the money that you are willing to lose. And then I am not encouraging anyone to risk their real funds. This was the deposit. The deposit was 238, I guess, and then I kept on withdrawing, just checking with the broker whether it's fine, and I withdraw. I guess I left around one something. Then it was 160, I think, when I was with you last time. Ever since then, I never deposited anything. I kept on withdrawing. As you can see, I kept on withdrawing all the money that I've deposited. As you can see, the withdrawals here are up to this level. And hence you can see I'm not focusing on this balance because they gave the bonus and their calculation. I'm just focusing on the real amount that is there. So you can see this is more than 100%, guys. This is more than 100% of following the rules. This is more than 100% of following the rules. I am not concerned with my stop loss right now. I'll start to be concerned here, where I will peel off something on that account, because I cannot peel zero point 0.1 here. It can't be peeled. 0 0.1 is the lowest. Or you might see me getting out of this one right here, because I can't peel it. Just because I cannot peel it like that. But they need to be reasons for me. Now we've taken this. Let's see the reaction. So you can see we have a fair value gap right here. We have a fair value gap right here. So I want to see if they will work with me right now. But I know also that it can just pull down to come back down. But I'm not willing to do that. In fact, I will cut this thing, and for the sake of the video, because I'm not going to stay this long, This was the ultimate. This is the ultimate, the one that I was looking at on a daily. If let's go to the daily time frame and see what I was looking at. At the daily, those dotted lines, I'm looking to target the halfway of this week, right here. And then when we come back, I'm looking to target the coming the following week. But if you can check on a daily, we are still respecting this fair value gap. We haven't closed below that fair value gap. Even yesterday, most of the people were scared why the market did that. But after, if it closed below, because the market was around here, I knew that as long as the candle did not close below the fair value gap, this is not invasion fair value gap. It's still intact as a fair value gap, even today. But remember that there need to be a liquidity for it to drive it high if we are moving high. And of course, my buyers are high right now. There need to be some of the juice to drive the price high. And if it's going low, there need to be some juice. For now, to go this low, we needed to get the juice from here. This is the reason why you saw this thing taken out like that, right here. This was the high, previous day high, taken out here. This previous day high, taken out just to sell. And it can sell anyway. It can sell even anywhere, anywhere. So I'm looking at this 1 minute. So even from here, I can even put here, because anything that happens that is against me, I'm looking at this close of 1 minute. So we have this fair value gap right here. And let's close. Let's not make it long. Let us not make it long. Let's close. We have accumulated the lowest hanging fruit. This was it here, right here. And then this fair value gap worked. No one can argue, because remember the rule. Let me just annotate something, just 2 seconds for you. If you have a move like this, okay, let me put it here, because I want to make an example be like today's example. Let's say you have a move and you have a fair value gap. Whether your move being breaker, which are the things that you will learn, whether your move being breaker or anything, for this fair value gap to be valid according to what I've learned, for fair value gap to be valid, please focus on this leg that I'm going to highlight differently. Let me even make it bigger. For a fair value gap to be invalid, this is what you need to do. Guys, like I said, this is tutoring than mentoring. We'll go around, we'll go making sense about whatever is it that is happening here each and every day. So now, is this a fair value gap? Okay, it's 5 minutes. So for a fair value gap to be valid, even if it can take this by 1 tick or 1 pip, if you trade in Forex, it's still valid because of this leg. The retracement leg was taken out. So it's still valid. It can come back and you will act and say this fair value gap was not valid. It was valid. It happened. This is where the lowest hanging fruit shines. That's your lowest hanging fruit. Then I am not going to here. I'm going out immediately. Here I'm going out immediately, and then I can put my stop loss right above here. And it's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of demo money, guys. It's just a little is that. It's not a lot of demo money. I got it here, then I come out here. A nice way to trade. Get that leg, move out. And then what else would I wait for? Remember, even if you get a fair value gap, you need to consider another fair value gaps. So this is as far as I can go. So if we put this, I I didn't want to show the positions. I didn't want to show the orders. I wanted to show, oh, here. You can see I managed a lot of capital. It's out. It's on break even. I'm on 350. Then where's the target? Where's the target? Where's my target? Where's the stop loss and the TP here? Okay. Okay, guys, this is my cue to leave. I'm even missing things here. Okay, guys, but by the way, this is the lowest hanging fruit. And then it played out there. Let me just preserve the capital for now. And move out. Okay, guys, that's how to trade whatever will bring you. The algorithm is showing. You can see we are not trading when it's not necessary. Okay, here we are not in. See the time that we are trading and see what the market is doing during that time. See the time that we are not trading and see what the market is doing that time. So guys, we are not trading, and I haven't started this long, this account long, but you can see what we have done already. Let me open for you this paper trade. If you like to follow, you can do this, guys. You can just push this and do this, and let's see if we can move it at least to 50%, $250,000. Then that will be moving. Guys, without wasting any time, let me catch you in the next video.